Welcome back to our series, How to Use YouTube for Customer Support. In this video, we're tackling a commonly overlooked but critical aspect of YouTube's strategy, branding how your support videos appear. Most companies understand the importance of branding inside their videos. However, many miss out on the importance of branding how their videos are presented on YouTube. The most important thing to remember is that there is no context for your content on YouTube. So using a title like accessing your account might work great on your website. But on YouTube, it raises more questions than answers. Which account? For what company? For what products? That's why branding how your videos look and read on YouTube is just as important as the content itself. The good news is YouTube allows you to brand your video content multiple ways. Starting with the most visually impactful branding element, your cover slide, which also called a thumbnail. This image appears in YouTube search results, on your channel, and even in Google search. When designing your cover slides, make sure you use your brand elements, logo, fonts, and colors to make it feel official. Also add large, clear headlines so customers instantly know what it's about. Consider color coding a banner or the background by topic. For example, you can use a blue banner for account help or a red banner for technical support. And always provide context. Who is the video for? And what problem does the video solve? The next branding option is going to be the title. Your video title isn't just a label, it's the headline. This is one of the first things users will notice when looking at videos. Whether they find the video in search, related videos, or your channel, the title needs to quickly and effectively portray what the video is about. It should explain what the video is and who it's from. For example, you can structure your title similar to setting up your account, Cloud App Support. Add your company or product name to the end of the title. And if it's part of a series like this one, call that out too. And lastly, you should brand your description. Descriptions are your secret weapon. Only the first two lines show by default, but that's your above the fold opportunity. There is a lot of real estate provided to use. We'll cover more of how to maximize this in the following videos, but don't forget to include your company, product name, and a call to action link in the description, preferably high enough that it shows above the fold. Remember, YouTube won't provide the context. You have to build it in through proper branding of how your videos look and are presented, no matter where they are found. Hit subscribe and check out the next video where we'll dive into optimizing your video and metadata for SEO. Thanks for watching.